G'day everyone, Brendan here from Fleetwear again. I wanted to have a chat today around one of the things that we get asked quite a bit from businesses that we're engaged with in looking to implement either a GPS tracking solution and or a dash camera solution in their business. It's not uncommon for business owners or general managers or fleet managers or health and safety managers to come to me and ask if we've got any ways or methods of explaining what they're doing to their staff. Quite often it can be a disruption to employees when this type of technology is brought into a business, and for the maximum effectiveness, it's really important to engage with people in the business and explain why this technology has been introduced. Now, every business will have a different reason as to why they're doing it, but primarily it's one of 3 or 4 things. You're either looking to be more efficient in business, you're looking to improve safety, be compliant in whatever industry you're in, or improve efficiency. Now, that's all well and good for a business owner or a general manager to have those KPIs and tick those boxes, but that doesn't help the employee. So it's really important when explaining to people that this is what you're doing as a business, to focus on what's in it for them. So the key things that we talk about for the employees who are out in the field, in the vehicles who have got this technology, is that it's around looking after them primarily. So it's a safety factor for the employee, making sure they get home to their families every day. Whether they're driving a prime mover, a rigid truck or a light vehicle, driver behaviour is paramount to their safety, and this technology will help improve that, or at least keep it at a high standard to ensure that they get home every day nice and safe. The other good thing, particularly with dash cameras, is that it exonerates the driver when nothing wrong has been done on their part. So again, it's not uncommon, particularly in heavy haulage or prime movers, if they're being used, that a light vehicle might cut them off or pull in front of them or cause an accident and then blame the truck for causing the accident. The dash camera protects the driver and shows everyone that they were doing the right thing and exonerates them from blame. That's a massive thing, particularly in heavy haulage. Also, the driver has the ability with the dash cameras to create their own snippets of footage to record an event that they want their bosses to see, so it gives them power of what's actually going on. And the other point I was going to say is that a lot of our customers actually use our technology for positive reinforcement. So it can actually drive some friendly competition between the employees in the business and offer rewards and incentives to really encourage that positive drive behaviour. The other part too, which is actually equally as important, is it can actually save businesses money. So the more money a company can save, the better for the staff, because it normally means that there's more things that can get bought for the business, more perks or benefits for the staff. So there's direct and indirect benefits for the staff, but again, really important that they're consulted through the process, and as it's rolled out, focus on why we're doing it and making sure that they feel like that they're a part of the process.